Hi, Peter Nixon with another of our Business Developer Playbook Relationship Selling Principles. This one is principle number 11 from the Karma group of principles. Karma reminding you do good things and good things come back. This principle reminds you to ask lots of questions to surface the client's unstated needs. During the pandemic, the regular sales channels are different. We rely much more heavily on the online channels, but we're still connecting in different places with different people. And I'm connecting on a regular basis at a outdoor coffee bar with one of my prospective clients. He is the top person in Asia for a large consumer manufacturing business. And every time we meet, I ask questions and learn a little bit more about him and about his needs and the needs of his team. And I met some of the team and I ask questions of the team members as well. So I'm just gathering a lot of data in hope that at some point I will be able to do some work for them. But most important is it's all positive. I'm just investing positive karma in the relationship in hope that someday it'll pay off. And if it doesn't, you know what? I've made a wonderful friend at the same time. This mindset will make you successful in business development, in professional services, in business consulting, in whatever you're doing. And I encourage you to do that. If you want to learn the other principles, we have 21 different principles, 3 sets of 7. You can read about them in the book or hear about them at pdionline.thinkific.com. Or if you want, contact me and we'll bring these live into your organization. I'm Peter Nixon reminding you the solution is in the dialogue.